Hey guys, welcome back. We're looking at the E-mini Dow futures in the daily chart, and as you can see, we have these white lines emanating from the support level one, support level two. We have the red lines emanating from resistance level one. Okay, these are your Gann angles, right? They provide us with support and resistance levels and aid us in taking positions, regardless of futures trading, options, or a combination of the two, even in stocks. So, in my video, I mostly cover the support and resistance levels. A lot of people might think that um, they want to know more about option strategies or when to buy, when to sell futures. But the first step in making money in the market is knowing your levels. And that is why I purposely cover specifically the support and resistance levels based on my Gann analysis with you all. And I leave it up to you guys to come up with strategies to exploit these levels. Okay. So once you know these levels, you can make money using a myriad of possible strategies. All right, so I leave that up to you. So without further ado, let's get to it. As you can see from S1, our final support level has been breached by the E-mini today. That was yesterday, last night, and we are trading below that. And our first resistance being around 34,300 for the day. Okay, and our first support is right about 34, say 120, 34 120 roundabout, right at this intersection of the red and white gun lines. We have 120 roundabout. Okay, so that is our first support. In case that is breached, we are looking at sub 34,000 for the futures, with a support of around 850, even 900. Okay, guys. But for today, if we continue further down and break the 120 level support, we could touch 800, 33,800. All right. On the upside, we're looking at 300, 34,300 as a resistance. And as you can see, it's a major support level. If the futures can get above this 300 level, we're looking for a high of around 600 for the week. All right, guys. As you can see where these two lines cross again, this indicates a high level in time as well. Okay, so by Friday, or yeah, by Friday we might have touched 600 and retreated. All right, so the question would be later on in the week, will we continue to hold above 300 or will we sell off below it towards the 33,900, 33,800 levels? All right, guys. So just to repeat, for today, we're looking at 34,300 as your resistance. And in fact, it's a support line which the futures might want to try and get over, but it'll act as a resistance here for the time being. And our actual support will be 34,120. Right? We're currently trading around 34,200. Right. Good luck, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. And do subscribe to my channel for latest updates and videos. All right, guys. Thank you. Take care. See you in the next video.